If you're looking for dogs food kibbles and bits, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 most popular dogs food kibbles and bits. Number 1, most popular by Kibbles and Bits. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Kibbles and Bits. Number 3. For more details about these dogs food products, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Kibbles and Bits. Find these dogs food kibbles and bits at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more dogs food kibbles and bits ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.